Happy Valentine's Day. Hey, this is Carlos Noel. I wanted to come with something that's been on my heart. I'm sure you've heard of the expression, home is where the heart is. So I thought I wanted to share some thoughts about that on this Valentine's Day. I know if you're a renter, one of the things that you've probably been considering, is it time for me to buy a home? And one of the things that I really want to emphasize is that buying a home is more than just dollar and cents. It's emotions. Emotions have a powerful part of home ownership. One of the things, especially with home ownership, is the ability to change the home based on your heart's desire. Changing paint color, adding uh, different textures to the wall, whether it's wallpaper, changing the flooring, carpet, wood, tile. You don't have that option. The landlord may let you do a few things, but you really can't customize the home the way you would see fit. And that's something that's a great benefit of home ownership. Um, Another thing, stability, safety for your family is another part of home ownership. And what I mean by stability is that at the end of the lease, you really don't know if you're going to be able to renew the lease or not. Is the landlord going to raise the rent on you so it's no longer affordable? Um, is the owner of the property decide to sell the property? And we're seeing that more and more often because they have so much equity in the property that they want to sell. Again, this is out of your control. You don't have the stability in your hand. It's based on what somebody else wants to do. I mean, I hear it all the time with family. It's really heartbreaking if you have kids that are in maybe a public school that they love. They're playing sports. They're in after-school activities. But now you've got to pick up and move because the landlord says, I'm selling, or I'm going to raise the rent $200 a month. So stability, safety is a strong reason to consider homeownership. Okay. And the one thing that I've always found important for homeownership is this sense of achievement. I mean, there's nothing better than coming home to a house and it's yours. Bad day at work, good day at work, problems and otherwise, when you come through that front door or you pull in that garage and it's yours, that helps. That emotion is strong because this is what you're working for yourself, for your family. So keep that in mind. I mean, it's just not dollar and cents. So I would certainly encourage you on this Valentine's Day, when things are pulling on your heart as far as should I buy, should I stay and rent, if you can make the dollars and cents work, the emotions of home ownership is going to outweigh any other problem. Okay. So again, if you have any questions, have any thoughts, want to talk about home ownership and seeing if you're ready, hey, give me a call. My information is below on my channel. Carlos Noel, wishing you a happy Valentine's Day. Take care.